So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Running Factory, and in case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now there is a very sad news about the Jamaican female sprinters in the athletic world, which I know a lot of you do not know about, but do not worry, because in this video you will get to know every single detail, because the Jamaican female sprinting has witnessed a very disastrous moment in the 2024 season, and I'm about to break down with you the shock of the day. Now the shock of the day and the shock of the year is, many people are not going to believe what I'm gonna say, but before that I want to address one issue, because I feel like people are really not giving the Jamaican ladies the accolade they deserve. The world, the media, they are not really giving them the accolade they deserve, because these Jamaican ladies deserve to be celebrated than any other female sprinters in the whole wide world, right? Because they are the powerhouse of sprinting when it comes to the women's side of the event, and they deserve to be celebrated enough. Now the shock of the day is, this is the first time in history no Jamaican gold medal in the 100 meters, no Jamaican gold medal, silver, bronze in the 200 meters. And another shock of the day is the fact that Jamaicans could not make, no Jamaican female sprinter was able to make it to the list of the nominated athlete for the award of the year, because every year World Athletic organize an award where they choose the best out of the best. So Jamaican ladies names happens to be missing in this list of best nominees for the outlet of the year, which is the first time in history it is happening. So definitely you guys definitely know that this is something that is not usual. Jamaicans always make it to the list, but this time around the story is totally different, and that's why I made this video. I said sad news about the Jamaican um ladies, right? It's actually sad, because we all know these Jamaicans, they always dominate, they always deliver, and this year is totally different, right? But hopefully next year is going to be tough again, because I do believe these Jamaican ladies will be back to their full form, and that is only that is the only moment we are going to witness real competition, because what happened at the Paris Olympic is like a joke to me. The female sprinting that I watched at Paris, I didn't really take it seriously, because I feel like it's more like kind of a joke. But I believe when Jamaicans show up, that is when the event is going to be competitive, entertaining, and interesting all at the same time, right? Anyway guys, it is what it is. um but I must say that the Jamaican ladies were very unlucky this year. They were very unlucky indeed, but like I said, it is what it is. There's nothing anybody can do about it. Anyway guys, let me hear your opinions, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.